So should developers or Salesforce professionals specialize? Yes and no. Well, both, I would say. So obviously, you have to be good at something. You have to know something, but you don't want to just focus on that one thing. So I hate the word specialize because I think it's a dirty word. Because I'm all, as you know, I'm all about expansion of knowledge and expansion of skill sets. So you come in maybe knowing how to. You come in as an admin. Let's say, just say you come in as an admin, but you have experience with developing. Well, there's a foundation. You don't know how to truly how to code maybe to perfection, but you have a foundation there where if the need arises, I can rely on you to build on that and go ahead and do something that's code related. Or if you're a developer and you just do Apex, but you have JavaScript experience, great. So now that so let's say all the tasks of integration are now complete, and we have this one requirement where we need to, do something on the UI, or we need to build a special button that's going to do something. Hey, you had JavaScript, right? So here's our requirement. If you don't know how to do this, you have the foundation there. Just go ahead and Google something and figure out how to do it. And so you gotta you just can't learn, you just can't know one thing. And I keep harping on this because to the previous viewer's question, where he was getting his admin and his JavaScript certs and all that, you need to have a broad range of knowledge in Salesforce, because obviously Salesforce can do so much that people who are hiring you are looking to hire someone who can do it all. It's unfortunate because it takes a team to really manage an environment successfully, and not one person can always do it. But if they're looking for, if you're gonna be that guy that they're gonna point to and say, yeah, that you can do this for us, you're gonna have to have a lot of you're gonna have to have all those the experience with those technology under your belt. So if you know Apex, learn JavaScript. If you know JavaScript, learn Apex. Learn admin skills, have admin skills, have reporting builds, report building skills, marketing skills, something that would diversify your skill set. So specialize or generalize, a little bit of both. Do be really good at one thing, but know enough of other things that if your boss comes up to you and says, "Hey, can you do this?" Yes, I can. I haven't done that in maybe a little bit of time, but I have the general foundation that'll help me get to resolve whatever problem or issue you have or your requirement. So yes, both.